Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to teach you how to design a poster flyer on Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm going to follow these settings: 2000 by 2500 pixel, and I'm going to change this to flyer poster flyer. Then when you are done with that, you click create. Awesome. Let me zoom out. Then first thing, go to our gallery. I'm going to drag it here. Then press Shift Alt on your keyboard and spread it. Awesome. Click OK. And when that is done, let me do one or two editing about this. I'll go to our layer, then I will click on brightness and contrast. I'm going to increase the brightness just a bit and make this one, let me check it here, 30. Awesome. So you can see the changes, you can see the difference. Awesome. So what I will be doing next is to go to our text, click on text. So I'll be writing cool. See, I use space to space it. Ctrl A to selector. Then I'm going to change the font to this Oswald font and increase it something. Awesome. Then I will change it to bold. Awesome. Make it like this. Awesome. Press OK. Fantastic. Ctrl C. So what I'll be doing now is to scale it up. Awesome. So I'm going to scale it like this and also like this without pressing Shift on my keyboard. So I want it to be like this and like this. Awesome. Fantastic. Rearrange it properly. Alt Shift on my keyboard. I will spread it again. I will scale it up again a little bit. Cool. Awesome. Let me make a little adjustment. So when that is done, I will duplicate this one. Ctrl K to duplicate. I duplicated it, and I will duplicate this one too. I press Alt on my keyboard, then I will move this to here. Awesome. So I'm going to create a clipping mask for this. I right click on it and press create clipping mask. Awesome. Fantastic. This is the effect of the clipping mask. I right click on this. Sorry. Here I click on this. And I'm going to mask it. So click on then click on rectangular marquee tool. Then we are going to select this part. Awesome. And when that is selected, then click on this. And when that is done, you are going to press Ctrl and backspace on your keyboard. Ctrl and backspace. Then you are going to achieve this. Awesome. Ctrl D to deselect. Fine. Awesome. So let's click on this. This is the layer you are seeing. So I click on it, and I'm going to right click on it, go to blending options. So what I will be doing here is to go to our okay, for this part I'm going to reduce the fill. Let me show you so you can see the effect. So I'm going to change the fill to 0. We are not doing anything on the opacity. We are dealing with the fill opacity. Yeah. So after achieving that, I will go to stroke. You see this stroke, I'm going to reduce it to 5. So change the color to white and make it inside. Yeah. When you are done with that, just click OK. Awesome. You want to change it to black. So what you are going to do is to click on the background. Then you click on the background and you press Alt backspace to change to black. Alt backspace to change it to black. So, but we are not needing that. I will either click on alternative backspace to turn back to white, to the original color. Alright, and that's all for that. And let's go back to our test and let's start typing. Save your emotion. I'll bring this one to the top. I will double tap. Let me double tap on it. Yeah, emotion. Awesome. I need the space here. Then I'll move it to this side. Awesome. Click OK. Here on my keyboard, and I'm going to rotate it. I want to make it 90 minus 90 degree. So I press Shift on my keyboard so that it will be accurate. Shift on my keyboard and that's done. So I will reduce the size. To this level, and I'll bring it here. Come over here. I'm going to reduce it freely without you pressing Shift on my keyboard. I will reduce this to this like this. Drag it to this side. Let me use Ctrl A to bring out our grid. Awesome. Nice. Then one more thing, click on T on our keyboard and I'm going to type this. Control A to select all. Then I'm going to change the font to this. So I'm going to pick creation demo for our font. After giving this, click OK. Then V on my keyboard. Use the bit if necessary. I think it's okay like this. Let me drag this to this side. I think it will be better if I move this a bit. Alright. Let's Ctrl H to remove it. Awesome. As you can see, our design is coming to life, and I hope you enjoy what you are seeing. Awesome. Let's proceed. And we click on U on our keyboard. I will change it to on Eclipse too. So shift on our keyboard, and we are going to draw a circle like this. V on my keyboard to bring out the moving tool. Then I'm going to reduce this one. Alt on my keyboard, now we drag it to duplicate. I will reduce it to the minimal part like this. Awesome. The last thing we are going to do, click on text on our keyboard. Then I'm going to type the name of our brand at Digital Concepts. Ctrl A to select all. Well, for now we choose this font, Montserrat extra bold or black, and I reduce the size to 8C or 9. 9 should be better. V. Awesome. Let me place it here. Ctrl H and we preview our work. Awesome. For me, I'm cool with it. And to give it a final touch, you can click on Alt Ctrl Shift E to merge all the layer, and go to our camera roll. Shift Ctrl A to go to the camera roll and to make one or two adjustments. And this awesome. Let's go to basic. This one to 0. Exposure, I don't think we need that. Highlight, let's bring it down a bit. Shadow, I don't need clarity for here. And increase this one too. Vibrance and saturation. Increase it. I think this one is too much. Yeah, it's normal. It's okay like this. Just to make it more sharper. Make it more sharper. And awesome. We are good to go. Let's hit enter when you are done. And let's preview our work before and after. Alright. This is before and this after. This after, this before. This before and this after. Awesome. Hey guys, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for listening to me and for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like, to share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. Please let me know how you feel about this design. Thank you so much and God bless you. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.